Next, it turns out finally we may get a usable version of Siri from Apple. According to The Verge, Apple is planning to use a custom version of Google Gemini for Apple Intelligence. The iPhone maker will reportedly pay Google around $1 billion annually to gain access to the technology, which will generate summaries and perform planning-related tasks. Apple will run the custom Gemini model on its private cloud compute servers. Now, that is the really interesting bit. Apple has incredible infrastructure. They have their private cloud compute thing, and it's not going to be running through Google. They are going to control the model. They're going to control the inference. They're going to be able to optimize it for their own use cases, and they're going to pay $1 billion per year for the license to do so. So it was reported in June that Apple had weighed using models from OpenAI or Anthropic to power the new Siri before reportedly settling on a partnership with Google. And remember, Apple and Google have had a long partnership. Google actually pays Apple to be the default search engine, and they pay quite a pretty penny for that. But they also have a partnership with OpenAI. When they first announced Apple Intelligence, if you needed to ask Apple Intelligence anything beyond a simple question and answer, it would throw it to a third party, that third party being OpenAI's models. But it was a clunky experience. It would tell you, okay, I need to go to OpenAI. Are you okay with that? And it was just not a good experience. So having a friend